Dear student, in this graph, average speed has been asked. In this graph, average speed has been asked. I told you, if this is a speed time graph, the formula of having average speed is equal to u plus v upon 2. But this is not the question of, in this total graph, this is 50, this is 100, and this is 150. This is 150. Total distance is given 150, and total time is given. This is 10. This is 10, and this is 15. This is 15, and this is 20, and this one is 25. Now so this indicator, this dimension is time, and this dimension is speed. where distance or time is given, this formula is not applicable. For having the average speed, don't mix up. There are two types of graph. One is the speed time graph, another is the distance time graph. One is the speed time graph, another is the distance time graph. As you are watching, distance and time both are given, so this formula not applicable. Now, are you listening, Baba? I mean, when distance and time given, this formula is not applicable. At that time, simply the total given time is 25 and total distance is 150. So you have to divide. So you will get the 6 meters second. This is the average speed. Again, I'm repeating. There are two types of graph. One is the speed time graph, another is the distance time graph. If it is the speed time graph, the formula of average speed is equal to u plus v upon 2. I mean the first speed and last speed upon 2. But as this is not the speed time graph, you are watching, this is distance time graph, so this formula is not applicable. In this situation, you have to divide the total given distance and total given time. Am I clear? So if you want to get the average speed in distance time graph, the total distance divided by total time, this is enough for getting average speed. Don't mix up. There are two types of graph. One is distance time graph, another is the speed time graph. As this is the distance time graph, so this formula not applicable. This is the simple formula of having average speed. I think I'm clear.